Getting approved for initial credit. Business credit is credit obtained in a business's name. With business credit, a business builds its own credit profile and credit score. With an established credit profile and score, the business will then qualify for credit. This credit is based on the business's ability to pay, not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, in some cases there is no personal credit check required from the business owner. Building business credit should be done in a prescribed order. Get out of order and you're adding unnecessary delays. These steps are proven to work. A business owner can actively work to build business credit while also allowing time and business to accumulate. Before getting started buying goods and services, there are some preliminaries a business owner should do. These will help immediately and also down the line. Some require an initial investment, while others do not. Lenders and vendors get nervous when they see a new business. Give them a reassurance by baking legitimacy right into your company. Company legitimacy will also reassure clients and prospects, and it should make you, the owner, get serious if you aren't already. Business legitimacy means you've got a business on your hands, and not just a hobby. Let's start with your business name. The full business name should include any recorded DBA filing you will be using. Ensure your business name is exactly the same. This is on corporation papers, licenses, and bank statements. File your business and get your EIN. Now let's look at your phone numbers. Get a toll-free number and a fax number and get your phone number listed with 411. Use List Yourself. These items are essential to get approval for initial business credit because they spell legitimacy. What about your business address? It must be a real brick-and-mortar building. It has to have a deliverable physical address, and it cannot be a home address, a P.O. box, or a UPS address. Some lenders will not approve and fund unless this criteria is met. Virtual offices are okay. Try Alliance. Now let's tackle your online presence. You need a professional email address like name@yourcompany.com. You should have a good-looking professional website, so don't use Wix or Weebly. Instead, buy your domain from a hosting company like GoDaddy. You can get web design on Upwork. Need a logo? Use Fiverr. How about your licenses? Make sure you have all your proper licenses for the state, city, or local municipality, and the county if applicable. Make sure your address is correct on all licensing. Take time to verify that main agencies, state, IRS, bank, and 411 National Directory have your business listed the same way and with your exact legal name. Next, we'll cover your banking account and balances. Open a business bank account at the bank where you have your personal business. Keep a high account balance in it. This is essential for a high bank rating. Try to keep a bank balance of $10,000 or higher for what's called a high 5 bank rating. Uniformity is key. Creditors are not going to hunt for every iteration of your company's name. Make it painfully easy for them to find you. This means your exact business name is always used. And for businesses with numbers in the name, decide whether the number is spelled out, like FIVE, or is an Arabic numeral. Either way is fine. Just be consistent always. Getting initial credit won't matter if there's no way to report on your payment history. Therefore, your business needs a DUNS number from D&B. These numbers are free. Don't let them try to upsell you. It's a great idea to pull your reports with D&B, Experian, and Equifax. Check your trade lines, scores, and profile even before applying. Trying to get approvals with existing bad credit presents unique, additional approval challenges. Review your report and dispute derogatory items first before applying for initial credit. Experian and Equifax will give you low credit score if they have your business's basic information. D&B, on the other hand, won't report until you have 4 separate payment experiences. Monitoring your report is always a smart idea. Our Business Credit Builder lets you monitor D&B and Experian business for only $29.99 monthly. Let's start with initial business credit. Start with vendor accounts. These are also called trade lines. This is the vendor credit tier. A vendor line of credit is when a vendor extends a line of credit to your business on net 15, 30, 60, or 90-day terms. Buy their products or services up to a maximum dollar amount, and then you'll have 15, 30, 60, or 90 days to pay in full. Get what your business needs and defer the payment on those for 30 days, thereby easing cash flow. Some vendors will approve your company for net 30 payment terms easily. They will do so upon verification of as little as an EIN number and a 411 listing. This is why the preliminary credibility steps are vital. You will already have what it takes. Always apply first without using a social security number. Some vendors will request it. Some will even tell you on the phone they must have it, but try to submit first without it. Never put a non-social security number in a field requesting an SSN. This is a federal offense. When you apply with your SSN, you almost always are giving a personal guarantee. One easy way to know if you have business credit already is to ask, did you get credit without signing for it and providing your SSN? Then you've got business credit. True starter vendors will approve you with minimal fuss. They will also report to at least one of the business credit reporting agencies. You may need to make a few purchases before credit is extended. Keep trying and keep paying on time and in full. Here are 3 to get you started. Quill at quill.com, Uline Shipping Supplies at uline.com, and Granger Industrial Supply at granger.com. Let's recap. Business credit building takes some preparation. The preliminary work is well worth your time. Business legitimacy helps with business credit building and with assuring your prospects. Set up your starting credit reports and monitor them. And start the credit building process with true starter vendors. Contact us today to learn more about getting approved for initial credit.